Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments on a Facebook post. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go onto your telephone.
Loser! You're a loser!
So the first thing you're going to want to do is go onto the page of the post that you want to turn the comments off on. So I'm going to go on my page here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for one of my posts that I want to turn the comments off. So here's this little picture of a fish. I said, check it out. But you know, maybe people don't like that fish. They're offended that fish said something rude to their partner or their mother or something. Well, you know, it'd be real handy. What if you had a platform where you could monitor all of your Facebook comments all in one place? And hey, you're not just your Facebook comments, your Instagram comments too. Your all your social media comments in one centralized inbox. Well, check out Agorapulse. There's a free trial available in the description below. Try it out today. We should turn off the comments then. So let's do that right now. So all you have to do is click on these three dots on the post here. Click on who can comment on this post. And then you'll see options for who can comment on the post. Now just go to the bottom here and select, instead of public, profiles and pages you mentioned. That means the only people who can comment on this post are people you explicitly mention in your comments. So I'm gonna hit that and then I'll hit done. It's going to save, and there you go. Now, it doesn't look like anything's changed from your end, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the view of somebody else who's visiting your page. So you'll see here that this is what it looks like now for somebody who's visiting the page for the first time. And you can see that, yeah, there's just no option to comment. So this applies to not just new viewers, but anybody who has ever liked your page. Doesn't matter, you're only gonna be able to comment on this post if you've been tagged by the page owner. So what if somebody's already commented on a post that you want to turn the comments off on? Well, that's where things get a little bit more complex. So you'll see somebody's commented here on my post, ugly fish. That's not very nice. I don't want that to be there. Now, what I'll do is I'll click on the top right-hand corner here, the three dots, click on who can comment, and then change it to profiles and pages you mentioned. I'll hit done. And then it will save the changes, but here's the problem. It doesn't actively stop any existing comments. So in that case, you're gonna have to go through with each individual comment and hit hide if you want it to completely disappear. Now, as you can see, the comment's been hidden, and now no one else is gonna be able to comment on your post, and the existing comment that was already rude has also been hidden. So there you have it, that's how you turn off comments on a Facebook post. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. We've got tons of great content coming your way all the time.